Hello everybody, this is now part 3 of putting together my new professional cabinet saw. The next part we're going to do is we're going to take off the covering on the top of the cabinet, and we're also going to have to do it on my 2 extension wings. Under this, you will see that again, there is no wax. Rust, I'm sorry guys. So I'm just taking this off real quick. It's very oily, so make sure I have paper towels near you. Because it could rust, we're going to use some Johnson's paste wax to put on this and the extension wings. I'm now going to do a time lapse of that because I don't think you guys want to sit through and watch me slowly paste my new saw. Alright guys, so we have one of the extension wings on, but of course we don't have it fully tightened on because we're now going to use an 18-inch straight edge. I got this from a different company, Taylor Toolworks, and we're now going to use this on our extension wing, and we're going to repeat that process on the other extension wing when we get to it. Alright guys, we just finished putting a coat of Johnson's paste wax on to protect our saw. We're going to now just take a few minutes to let it dry and what we say is make it cloudy. We'll be back with you soon. Alright, we're back. We left the wax paste dry to a nice haze, and we waited 15 minutes. You can actually see that it's now like hazy everywhere. So now we're just going to take brand new cloths, or if you rip up a shirt, whatever you use, and you're just going to clean it down so that it looks nice and shiny, because who doesn't love a nice and shiny table saw? Alright guys, so this is the end of part 3 of putting together my professional cabinet saw. We got a few things done in this video. We took off the coverings that were on the 2 extension pieces and the top of my cabinet saw. They had oil under it, so we then used paper towels to take off that oil. After that, we put both extension wings on, and not gonna lie, getting it nice and straight was not easy. It probably isn't perfect, but there is no perfect in woodworking. After that, we then used Johnson's paste wax to wax the top of it. Wait a few 15 minutes we waited, and then we came back with some more rags to wipe it off, and now we have it looking nice and shiny, and who doesn't love a shiny table? So we'll see you for part 4. Chop that subscribe button, hammer that like button, and mark up the comment section.